What if I told you that there's a tool that can automatically deploy your applications to the cloud, keep them updated, and fix problems before you even know they exist? Well, that tool exists, and it just got a major upgrade. Welcome back to Atarian News Channel. Today we are diving into Argo CD version 3.0, released in May 2025, and why it's revolutionizing how companies deploy software. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Argo CD, and why should you care? Imagine you're a chef in a restaurant. Every time you perfect a recipe, you want that exact same dish served in all your restaurant locations. But here's the problem. How do you make sure every chef in every location makes it exactly the same way every single time? That's exactly the challenge software teams face. They write code, but getting that code running on servers, whether it's one server or a thousand, used to be a nightmare of manual steps, human errors, and sleepless nights. Argo CD solves this by being like a super intelligent restaurant manager. You put your recipe, your application code in one place called a Git repository, kind of like a digital cookbook. Argo CD then automatically reads that recipe and makes sure it's perfectly prepared and served on all your servers exactly as you intended. This approach is called GitOps. Think of Git as your single source of truth, like having one master cookbook that everyone follows. When you update the recipe, Argo CD notices the change and automatically updates every restaurant, or in tech terms, every server to match. But why does this matter for regular people and businesses? Let's say you use a banking app. Before tools like Argo CD, updating that app was risky business. Banks had to schedule maintenance windows, often at midnight, with teams of engineers manually updating servers one by one. One mistake could mean your app doesn't work for hours. With Argo CD, updates happen smoothly, automatically, and safely. If something goes wrong, it can instantly roll back to the previous version. It's like having an undo button for your entire application. This isn't just theoretical. Companies like BlackRock, Intuit, and Red Hat use Argo CD to manage thousands of applications. We are talking about the apps you probably use every day: financial services, tax software, entertainment platforms. For businesses, this means faster innovation, lower costs, and fewer 3 a.m. emergency calls for their IT teams. For users like you and me, it means more reliable apps and faster access to new features. Now let's talk about what makes version 3.0 special. Released in May 2025, this isn't just a minor update, it's a major leap forward. First, it's incredibly more efficient. Think of it like this: if the old version was like running 10 different apps on your phone at once, version 3.0 is like having one super app that does everything while using less battery and storage. Security got a massive upgrade too. Remember how I mentioned the master cookbook analogy? Version 3.0 makes sure only the right people can read certain recipes and only authorized chefs can make changes. It's like having a high tech security system for your digital kitchen. Here's the really cool part: version 3.0 learns from what successful companies are doing already. You know how your smartphone gets smarter with each update, automatically knowing what you want? That's exactly what happened here. All the tweaks and configurations that expert teams were manually setting up are now built right in. It's also faster and more reliable. Imagine if your favorite streaming service not only loaded videos quicker, but also automatically fixed connection issues before you notice them. That's the kind of improvement we are talking about. For big companies managing hundreds of thousands of applications, version 3.0 handles the scale like a pro. It's like the difference between managing a food truck versus managing McDonald's global operations. It needed to level up, and it did. So, what does this mean in the real world? For developers and ID teams, it means less stress, fewer late night emergencies, and more time to build cool new features instead of fixing deployment problems. For businesses, it means getting new features to customers faster, spending less money on infrastructure, and having more reliable services. The CNCF, that's the organization that oversees this technology, says it helps companies reduce costs while speeding up their digital transformation. For everyday users like you and me, it means the apps and services you rely on are more reliable, get updated more frequently with new features, and have less downtime. And this isn't just hype. Hundreds of organizations worldwide are already using Argo CD in production, managing mission critical applications that millions of people depend on daily. Looking ahead, Argo CD version 3.0 isn't just about today, it's about preparing for the future of software development. As more companies move to cloud native technologies and embrace GitOps practices, tools like this become the backbone of digital innovation. Version 3.1 is already in development, showing that this rapid evolution isn't slowing down. What excites me most is that this technology is making advanced deployment capabilities accessible to smaller teams and companies, not just tech giants. It's democratizing what used to be rocket science. And there you have it, Argo CD version 3.0, the latest evolution in automated application deployment. Whether you're a developer, business owner, or just someone curious about the technology powering your favorite apps, this release represents a significant step forward in making software delivery faster, safer, and more reliable. If you're more interested in knowing about Argo CD version 3.0, I have placed a beginner's guide document in the description box below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech explainers. Until next time, keep innovating. I'll see you again.